Hey YouTube, this is Pretty Pink 2102. I'm combining this video with with yesterday's video. So I'm gonna give you a room tour from a hotel room tour. We got here 2 days ago, I think. Yeah. So I'm just gonna show you the front door. Like mom's clothes, this sink. Right there, and then this side mirror, toilet, shower. Where's that? I can show you like around because the beds are not made yet, but there's 2 beds right there, and then this right here, which I'm gonna dry because from the ice that I had my coffee in. There we go. I'm gonna put this here. We have a fridge, and I'm gonna put this cup so the cleaning lady won't throw away my cup because I'm not going to all my mom's medical appointments. So I'm mainly staying, like I go to the main ones, but today she had a medical appointment at 7. Still waiting to see how it goes. Here I have my drawer, and I have like Starbucks coffee instant, and my journaling and coloring supplies, TV, a chair, desk, and then my mom's suitcase. Oops. Let me put this here. Chair, and then it's like the kind of like the view right there, and it's cold. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the room tour. I'm actually gonna start reading, going over all your perfects. I have the bold and easy coloring book, and I was coloring this last night, but I was really tired, so I didn't color a lot, but I did do a little bit of artwork in this notebook, and I like the acrylic markers because they don't like bleed through. So yeah, I also did some, I also did some art in this sketchbook right here, from watercolors that I got from Temu. Just random doodle. Testing out the watercolors from Temu that I got in. That's it. So I've been trying to keep myself busy, and I was so tired last night, but I couldn't sleep, and yeah, so morning notes that I have to take, and now I'm gonna drink my morning coffee. I already had breakfast. I'll insert a picture of it here right after this, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Yesterday we went to a store and I was trying on clothes, and I vlogged a little bit. So pretty much what I tried on was a yes, except that I had to get like a size smaller, and one was bigger, So that's why I had to get it smaller. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.